Good morning, students. Today we will read our poem Wind. So open your Beehive English book, page number 30. The name of our poem is Wind. Let us begin reading the poem. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Poking fun means making fun of someone, and weaklings is a person who is weak. So here in the poem, the poet is talking to the wind. Poet asks wind to come softly. The wind should not be very hard, very loud, but it should be soft and settled. And he says that the wind, which is very powerful, which is destructive, it breaks the shutters of the windows and it scatters the papers. And when the wind is very powerful, all the books which have kept on the shelves also fall down. So here the poet is describing the power of wind, what all the wind can do. And then the poet is saying to the wind, look what you did. You threw them all down. What kind of destruction you have done? You were so strong that you have torn the pages of all the books, and you were so strong that you have brought rain also along with you. And then he says that you are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. So whenever there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak, maybe small plants, like small children, they all get scared and they can even fall or break down when there is a strong wind. Here, the poet is telling to the wind, don't be very harsh, don't be very strong, because you cause a lot of destruction. Now we will read further. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Here we can say that the word crumbling is repeated so many times. Crumbling means falling or to cause something to break. Now, what is rafter? Rafter is the sloping beam. Rafter is the sloping beam which supports the roof of a building. So the poet is saying that when the wind is very powerful, very strong, it leads to breaking of everything. Houses which are weak, they fall down. Doors which are weak, they also fall down. The beams on which the roofs of buildings are supported are also fall down, or the wooden structures just fall, or the bodies of people falls, animals' lives, herds, everything falls down. So the poet is saying that everything crumbles, everything that is weak reacts by falling down and breaking in the phases of adversity. So the poet is saying whenever a weak person faces any adversity or challenge in life, he breaks down and falls.